Another video from Fast Tech. In this one I'm going to be showing you guys how to factory reset your Xbox Series S or your Xbox Series X. Now you'd want to reset your Xbox if you're selling the console or if you're a scalper who was holding on to one, and now since you can't find these devices you want to sell it for a higher premium and you want to remove all your information from your console. Well, how do you do that? Good question. We're going to go to settings, which is the first option on our Xbox menu here. It's the picture of a cog, kind of like how you are a cog in a big system. We're going to press that option right here, and then we're going to go down to system, which is the third option, and then we're going to go to console info. And in console info there's going to be an option that says reset console. I don't know why they would put it here, and I figured that's why I'd make this video, because it's kind of hidden. So we're gonna press reset console, and then you're gonna be prompted with this menu right here. That's gonna reconfirm if you want to reset your device. There are two options here, well, three options if you count cancel. The first option is reset and remove everything. The second option is reset and keep my games and apps. Now, if you're selling your device, you wanna do the first. But in some cases, you want to keep your games and apps, you go for this option, on the second option. But since we're resetting and removing everything, I'm going to go with the first option. Press A on that, and it says you need to be online to remove home Xbox associations. I am currently offline, so we're going to connect. We're going to go online. You guys are not going to have to do this if you're already connected to the internet. Let's go back. Let's go back to reset console and then select the first option again. And now our console is going to restart. And once the console finishes restarting, it's going to start removing everything off the device. As you can see, the console's resetting. Now we can go back to the 4K 60 view. You're going to see this screen here for a second. It's going to restart maybe once, maybe twice. And now it's removing everything off the device. So at the moment, everything is being removed off the device. Here we see the option of setting everything up with a mobile device with the Xbox app, which I think is kind of a cool feature. You can set everything up on your phone, put your user account information, the settings for your Xbox, and by the time the device finishes resetting, all the settings that we've selected would be on the console, which I think is a cool feature. So now it's asking us, I'm gonna skip that, we're gonna skip. Now it's asking us for language settings. I'm gonna select English. I'm gonna select United States. Now it's asking us to connect to an internet connection, which I don't believe is optional. It's definitely not optional, which is terrible. So now we're putting our network information in, which is ridiculous. You should not have to do that, especially if you only want to use your console for offline games, but the Xbox forces you to do this. I guess they didn't learn anything from their Xbox One launch. Next, you'll need to sign in with a Microsoft account. This is also, believe it or not optional. Now we're going to select the time, which is Eastern Standard Time for us. We're going to put it on standby mode. And this is an option where you can tell it to keep your games and apps up to date. I'm going to leave that checked. And now we're in our Xbox home menu. You can create a new user account here if you like, but we're not going to be doing that for this video. This is where you can put in your account. And now we're in our Xbox home menu, and that's how you reset an Xbox Series S or Series X. As you can see, there's nothing on the console here anymore. No more profiles, no save games, nothing. It's as if it left the factory. Another video from Fast Tech. Don't forget to smash that like button, smash that subscribe button if this video helped you out. And this video is brought to you by the Fast Tech Pro Auto Kit, which is an automatic screwdriver that you can use to open up your Xbox Series S, your Xbox Series X, previous Xbox generations, PlayStation 5, PlayStation 4, your Apple iPhone, MacBook, laptops, and many other devices. Link for that is going to be in the description box and also in the top comment. Also, check out my vlog channel in which I travel the world and I record my adventures. And it's 100% entertainment, I guarantee it. Link for that is also going to be in the description box and the top comment. This is Shiroz from Fast Tech signing out, and I'll see you guys in the next one.